Hello guys, I am going to take apart this thing. It is an echosounder, I believe, so it is a marine equipment. Brand is this is for use in board of ships for measuring the distance below the hull, I think. So the brand is Royal, model RFA 40. Frequency 200 kHz, DC 20 volts, excuse me, 20 volts, serial number. So it was made by Fuji Royal Company of Japan. I believe it is 70s vintage. So on the back side you just have a power supply and the transducer plug. On the front side you have a knob with gain, a knob with range, and a big knob for setting the alarm. It has an internal alarm, so if you are too near of the bottom of the sea, it will make an alarm in order to prevent you. So it is a very simple device, but I do not collect marine equipment, and in fact it is in quite rusty condition. So it is not worth keeping, I think, and I have no use for it, and it is quite bulky. So first I will remove the two holding knobs here, so this can be of some use. I will remove the small two knobs here. So oddly enough it is imperial Allen screw, not metric. As it is made in Japan, I was expecting a metric screw, but not in this. Luckily I have all the tools in imperial and metric you need, so it is not a problem for me. As I tinker a lot with aircraft parts and so on, I had to get a full set of imperial tools for working on US made equipment. So here we are. I will remove the back screws. So regular Japanese screws, the same we should find onto stereo equipment. So here is the back cover, just a plastic hull. So inside you will have an interesting, you have an inspector stamp with the name of 3 inspectors in Japanese. So here are the contents. So I will try to go further in it. Anyway, I'm scrapping it. So there's just a circuit board with all the parts, through all parts. A speaker with a plastic cone speaker, no paper one. Of course it is for use in a marine environment, so it must resist somewhat to moisture. So I remove these screws here. You cannot keep such items. It is too bulky and I have really no use for it. So I believe that all the circuit board will come quite easily. Must not be very difficult to take apart. In fact, it is really regular parts. The same one you should see in stereo equipment. Typical really Japanese parts from the 70s. Nothing special. So I can unplug this, I can unplug the speaker. So you can see the speaker is made of plastic. So this is the front knob. This is the power and transducer wires. And there is some kind of motor here in the middle. So this is a metal bracket for the two plugs. and here we are. In fact, no problem at all. So you have a moving indicator part. It is some kind of a servo motor, I believe. Yes. So very simple analog stuff here. Some coils, transformer, ELPS potentiometer, Toshiba chips, big fuse, all the transistors, BC 372, switch here. This wheel is a simple plastic wheel, nothing special. It will not come this easy. So I will retrieve some parts out of it, but not much in fact. It is mostly junk. Mostly. So here is the front side with the front panel with the dial. In fact, you have just a moving contact on the read switch over here. So it is why I scrap this device, because in fact there is nothing interesting with it. It is mostly plastic and regular electronics, nothing special. Okay, so I think this is the end for this one. I will retrieve all small hardware I can, and the other parts will go to the scrap bin. Thanks for watching, bye bye.